Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are well and hearty. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Chief. Today I am going to take English first paper class for the students of class 9 on the topic 5th assignment. I am rotating to the topic is Assignment 5 discussion. And students, this is lecture number 7. So students, please take your notebook and writing elements. I am going to discuss on your assignment 5 of English first paper. So let's start. Students, look, this is your 5th assignment of English, and from unit 4, are we our. From this unit, you have to take help from lesson 1, the fair board, lesson 2, are we too many, lesson 3, our food and shelter, lesson 4, the story of Lippy, lesson 5, let's become skilled workforce. So from unit 4, lesson 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, we'll take help to write your assignment. Now assignment or assigned task. Bangladesh is one of the densely populated countries in the world where about 18 crore people live within 1,47,570 square kilometers. The area range of about 10 crore people is 15 to 64. By upgrading unskilled workforce to skilled workforce, many countries in this world have turned into a developed one. Think how Bangladesh can reach in the level of developed countries by making unskilled people to skilled workforce. Give 5 ideas and explain in not more than 200 words. Students, mark here. You have to complete your assignment not more than 200 words. In your earlier assignments, you have written very short, or some students have written too long. So mark here, your explanation will not be more than 200 words. It can be 210, 20, 30, not more than 30, 230 or less than 190. Now students, how you will write your assignment? So for this, some instructions are given. You have to write the topic of title, introduction, then body and description, and inside the body and description, para or para title will vary assignment to assignment, and at last conclusion. So students, look here, I have given for main. First, you have to write the title or the topic. In the middle, you will write the title of the topic, and then you will write an introduction. So in an introduction, you will write some lines, some main lines in short about your explanation. Then you will write the description about your writing. You will write some lines, and then you will write 5 points. Here I didn't mention the points. You have to think about, and you have to give the points name and have to explain on the basis of your points. And at last you will give the conclusion. Here in short you will write about the theme that you have written. Students, here assignment criteria. If you want to get excellent, some criteria you have to maintain. First one is 5 reasons given in the writing. Number 2, are-phrase sentences. Number 3, appropriate vocabulary is used. So here the main purpose is you must have to provide 5 reasons. So in description you must have to provide 5 reasons, and the sentence structure will be error-free. That means there will be no mistake in your sentence structure, in your explanation. And at last, appropriate vocabulary is used. You will not write any word that is against your writing, that doesn't explain your feelings that you want to show through your writing. And for that, students, I am repeating, you can take help from unit 4, lesson 1 to 5. On the basis of unit 4, lesson 1 to 5, you will write in your assignment. Students, I hope you can understand. You have to write the title, including your introduction, description, giving 5 reasons, and at last conclusion. So students, Your submission date of 5th assignment of English is 22nd October 2021. I'm repeating, the submission date of your 5th assignment of English will be 2nd October 2021. Students, that's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Please do your assignment and submit it on due time. See you in our next class, inshallah. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.